What's up, everybody? We're up here in beautiful Carefree, Arizona, just north of Phoenix. It's a beautiful day out. We're at Black Mountain. We go hike that today. It's about 80 degrees, mid-February. The sun is shining, so let's go check it out. So there is no parking lot for this particular hike. You just have to park down the ways there on the side of the streets. Just be courteous of the people living in the area. This is a residential area right here, walking up Schoolhouse Road. And when we get to the start of the trail, you see if it goes between two driveways. I'll show you that when we get there. So we're at the top of Schoolhouse Road here, and sandwiched in between the two private driveways is where the trail starts. And just by climbing up the road here, we got pretty high. Nice little view of the valley. So I'm up here a ways a little bit, about halfway, and it's pretty steep. You can hear me breathing. It's a little bit rocky. Keep going. we're getting close to the top here. This part right here is a little bit rocky. I know it doesn't look like it, but there is somewhat of a trail going to the top there. I turn around. That's looking north. There's west. That's south. I see a hawk or something flying over there. Where eagles dare, I guess. It's getting a little rocky up here. I may have to put the GoPro away for the rest of this part right here. All right, we made it to the top here. There's the American flag. I'll do a quick 360 for you. That's looking north, west, and it's looking towards Phoenix. There's the town of Carefree. It's looking awesome up here. There's like a little plaque right here. I'll go ahead and read it for you. This flag is dedicated to those who serve and have served honorably in the U.S. Armed Forces and all freedom-loving people in the United States of America. We are one nation. We are one people with one desire to protect and defend the American way of life. So at the peak up there, I saw this water tank and I wanted to come check it out. I'm assuming it's a water tank, but that wouldn't supply the entire city, or who knows how deep it goes, but I like finding cool stuff like this. I don't have a can of spray paint, so can't put my name on it. Pretty cool. What's cool is you can see the hook points. There's 3 of them. Almost guarantee They brought it up here by helicopter and dropped it down. I mean, how else would you get it up here? Kind of cool. We're just coming back down the road here. That was a fun hike. It was a little bit rough in some parts. Maybe it's called Black Mountain for a reason. But just remember, if you're gonna hit the trails, bring water, stay safe, enjoy the hike. I'm out. Maybe it's called Black Mountain for a reason. But here comes a car.